Hello, CryptoCooper here. I want to share with you what Bitcoin is all about. Bitcoin is a new form of money. Actually, it's been around longer than I've been alive. I'm 9 years old, and Bitcoin is about 11 years old. Bitcoin is digital money. It's money on the computer. It's definitely not like our old paper money, which we have been using for like over 1 million years. Using paper money is so old school. It's time for a change. Paper money is so old that it was even used during the old days when people used to play board games and even before computers or cell phones. Paper money can get torn or destroyed or dirty. Even worse, viruses can get attached to the paper money and pass from one person to another. Ew, that's so yucky. Another thing is, with Bitcoin, it's easy to move lots of money around, unlike paper money. I mean, if you had a lot of money, why would you want to fill your pockets up with paper money when you could just download your money digitally into Bitcoin and use it almost anywhere? And how can we even know where every paper money is in the world? If paper money is so important, shouldn't we have a record of where all the paper money is? I mean, when I play Monopoly with my family, I know how much money is in the game and I can see where all the money is going. I think it's just a matter of time that all the money will be in the computer, like digitally. So far, I think the best thing to computer money is Bitcoin. But what else makes Bitcoin special? It has a computer network which is the biggest in the world. There are millions of computers making sure Bitcoin runs smoothly. With all the work that people are putting into Bitcoin, it really might end up the best computer money of the future. I think when I'm old, Bitcoin will be the best form of money, or even better, our form of gold, but computer gold, digital gold. Right now, Bitcoin is money that works on our computers or phones, anywhere and at any time. We can have lots of money in the form of Bitcoin and carry it without any effort. You don't have to worry about losing your phones or breaking your computers, as long as you remember your private keys. With Bitcoin, you are in charge of your own money. There is no need for a bank or another person, and you don't need permission to use your own money. Bitcoin is the safest form of digital money because everyone who uses it is recorded in a public system. This system is called the distributed ledger, and everyone is allowed to watch every Bitcoin being used. This gives the power of Bitcoin to everyone. The power is distributed and there is no single central weakness. And since everyone can see the distributed ledger, it makes it very hard for the bad people to cheat the system. That makes Bitcoin unstoppable. I'm not the smartest kid out there, and I'm not an expert. And shame on you if you're taking advice from a 9-year-old about money. But I do know Bitcoin is here to stay. And before I tell you the last important thing about Bitcoin, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And of course, I graciously accept any tips in the form of Bitcoin. Here's my Bitcoin address. So the last important thing I have to say about Bitcoin is that there are only 21 million Bitcoins that will ever be made. My dad said Bitcoin is programmed to be limited. That means only a small amount will ever be made, and that's it. I guess that makes it very valuable, like my cool limited edition Lego. Well, I I think Bitcoin is cool and that it's the money of the future. I don't know about you, but I hope to have one entire Bitcoin someday. Wish me luck! Anyway, I'm CryptoCooper. Thanks for watching. Bye!